Making money on Clapper, a social media platform, can be a great opportunity for content creators who engage actively with their audience. Here's how you can make money on Clapper. Monetizing content through tips. Clapper allows users to earn tips directly from their followers. As a content creator, you can receive tips in the form of Clapper coins when your followers appreciate your content. The more engaging and entertaining your content is, the more likely your followers are to support you through these tips. Brand collaborations and sponsored posts. As your follower base grows, you may have the opportunity to collaborate with brands and businesses. Companies may approach you for sponsored posts or advertisements where you promote their products or services in exchange for payment. Your audience size and engagement rate will help attract these opportunities. Selling products or services. You can also promote your products or services directly through Clapper. Whether it's physical merchandise, digital products, or online courses, you can leverage Clapper's large user base to drive sales. Clapper Creator Fund. Similar to other platforms, Clapper has a creator fund that rewards popular content creators for producing high-quality, engaging videos. Apply to the fund to earn money based on your content's popularity.